In progress.
Dispatch call, repeat that last call one time.
A 417 in progress.
417.
417.
Oh, Unit 319 will respond to that one. The 417 in progress. Oh, I'm getting the chills.
Tell you what, 417, 18 years on the force, never seen been so excited in my life for a call like this.
A 417, that's a red level humor in progress.
That's exactly what it is, a red level humor. Let's go and take a look at it.
All right.
All right.
Dispatch 319 on it.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the next comic on Last Comic Standing, Miss Andy Seines.
You are about to enter the courtroom of Judge Judith Scheinman. The people are real. The cases are real. The rulings are final. This is Judge Judy.
Good, Judy.
Do not good afternoon, me, Miss Seines. You know why you were here today? You were not just telling a joke, Miss Seines. You were telling, do not interrupt. You were telling a red level joke, and that is completely inappropriate. Did you even know who your audience was?
Oh, no, sir, I didn't
Sir? I think that you are going to have to be sentenced to comedy rehab. Effective immediately.
You know, it's great what happened. We're your rehab officers as well. So you're going to have to get up out of that car. You're talking to
keeping it green the entirety of the time.
Yeah, let's get this mic out the way.